Alright guys, the next thing we're going to look at is indirect measurements. Now, indirect measurements basically uses proportions to measure something that you can't quite do practically. For example, there's a telephone pole right here and sun shining at a certain angle and it's producing a shadow. So the telephone pole is h meters long. I don't know, but I can easily measure the length of the shadow. Say I make the length of the shadow 12 meters. Okay? Now, I'm going to use indirect measurement to find the height of the telephone pole by comparing it to a similar figure that casts the same shadow. So let's say a street sign. And this street sign can easily be measured to a height of 2 meters. And the shadow of the telephone pole, street sign is 3 meters. So here you have two similar triangles. You've got two similar triangles. They're both right angle triangles. But the main thing we need to look at is setting up the proportion, okay? The height of the telephone pole compared to the length of its shadow is proportional to the height of the street sign compared to the length of the street sign shadow. So you set up a proportion like that. And of course, you know what to do from here. You just cross multiply and then divide. Now when you find the cross products, 3h equals 24. You know to find h, you need to divide by 3. So 24 divided by 3 is 8. So the height of this is 8 meters. Okay? That's how you use indirect measurement to measure something. You set up a proportion. Now there's several different ways you can set up that proportion, but it has to be the corresponding sides. I could say 2 over h equals 3 over 12 and solve it, and I'll still get the same answer. Okay?